is the first start of my 2018 Bryant preferred air conditioner for 2021. I'm gonna have to clean this sometime soon. No, I'm not gonna have this on and leave it on. I'm just gonna have this on for just a few minutes just to test it out, just to make sure everything is in proper working order. And sometime, maybe next month, I'm gonna do a deep cleaning of it. I'm not gonna really need to use it until May anyway. There's all the data. You guys probably know, 2018, 3.5 ton. Already getting really cold. This is a really nice unit, works really well. So yeah, the scroll does sound a little rough, but I mean that's just because it's the first time it's been running this year. It has the Copeland scroll, the Bryant logo. It does have a very slight rattling sound, but I mean that's okay. It's got the R410A pure and refrigerant. It's a nice unit, nice looking. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over now.